the intro.
Bass kicker fishing.
What is going on, bass kickers? Today we are going down to the creek and we're going to be seeing if we can't catch some fish on some spinners, and specifically Panther Martin inline spinners. So let's go down and see what we can do. Alright guys, so we have made it down to the spot. I'm just going to start out throwing a cyclone. I haven't thrown one in a while. Just put new line on this reel yesterday, so shouldn't have too bad of a time. Mike's here too, fishing here, doing some good stuff. Alright, I'm actually going to try throw mine, oh, right up into the weeds, guys. We do not want that. However,
I'm just fishing with a Jake's right here.
he's just fishing with a Jake spinner right there. So, well, that's a spin a lure. It's not a spinner. Is there something? Nah.
I could have sworn I just saw some chasing.
Mine?
Yeah.
Sorry if you guys can't really see. Sorry, my rod got a little messed up there.
Big fish could see that.
What?
This.
Oh yeah. Because it at least has a little flash to it, right? So I just put on some new 8-pound. If you guys are not familiar, I usually just put 8-pound test monofilament on my spinning reels and then on my bait casting rods. I usually just put 10-pound. I also use 10-pound on my catfish rod and my trolling rod as well. So that is definitely a thing. Oh, Mike just had one. But we're having a good time so far. I mean, I haven't got a bite yet, but my original plan was to come down here with spinners, as you guys seen with my intro. But I think we're just going to start off with this spoon right here.
Are you waiting?
Probably not. My brother was just asking me if I was going to wade in the water or fishing. You know what? Today looks like an okay day too. I mean, that
It's
creek
about 9 o'clock
doesn't
in the
look
morning.
too bad. I mean, like, it's 9 o'clock in the morning. I guess, you know what? Why not?
Yeah.
Just using this spoon in some high water.
Are you filming?
Of course. I'm just gonna try right up by that wood pile over there. I'm not sure
Yeah,
if you guys
guys,
can
it's
see
a little
that.
chilly, but
Yeah.
we should get used to it. Got him. Oh.
You got one? I don't know. All right, guys. There's
I got him.
Mike's hooked up. Nah, it was weeds. But however, we are using. I'm gonna go right up against this rock pile. Last year, this. Ooh.
Oh, I saw that.
Is that a fish? No.
That looked like a...
No, that was weeds. That definitely looked like a fish, though, guys. Oh crap! I just cast it, and there's still weeds on my lure. I'll reel it in. I know. Right out over there.
Yeah, I might go to the corner.
Yeah, maybe.
I hope you guys are familiar with the corner.
Oh yeah, oh yeah, that's, if you guys remember the whole, on one of my last videos, it should be called, having fun creek fishing. You guys should see that video.
Right down there, right there.
Right down there is where that hole is, and
We might
I
go
actually
down
have
there.
caught several fish on camera for you guys down there. I'll go right after this cast. Ooh, I might have something, guys.
I got it.
And Mike will go get it for me. So I'm not sure if you guys know yet. I'm wading in water, by the way. Me and Mike actually went rafting in this water yesterday, so that's a thing. All right, guys.
Shout out to Sienna Reels.
Yeah, shout out to
Look at this.
not Sienna Reels,
Simon.
to Shamano Reels.
This-
Shout out to Shamano, guys. They just make amazing
Look at this.
reels.
I just
Look
bought
at
this
that reel.
yesterday. It's about $30 plus line. Not bad.
So yeah, that Sienna thing's a thing. The Sienna is just the kind of reel that is being made
From Shamano currently.
from Shamano currently. Ooh, is that a bite? No. But definitely shout out to them.
And we are going to be going to the tongue sometime.
We are going to be going to a reservoir
Tomorrow maybe.
pretty soon. Hopefully, yeah, we are going tomorrow. So hopefully that is a thing to where we can take you guys along for the ride. I hope to. I've caught a lot of big smallmouth at the tongue, guys. I caught my PP smallmouth, clocked in at about 19 inches, 18, 19 inches, out at the tongue river reservoir.
About 14 inches, about 2.5 pounds.
Yeah, so I caught mine and mine was about, it was just almost to 3. So hopefully we can get some big ones again. That would be an amazing thing to do, because I really do want to get in some big ones for you guys.
And we just floated the creek yesterday.
Yeah, we just floated back here
Just to
yesterday
see new fishing holes, and
to see some new fishing
we weren't going to
holes.
risk the phone getting wet.
We weren't going to risk the cam and the phones getting wet, so we definitely did not bring the phones along or the cameras. So that is a thing. Alright guys, so I just switched up to a Panther Martin. Yeah, so that's pretty much a thing. This thing just really spins, just like, if you barely even use it, it just spins. Love it. I'm actually going to try to cast. Ooh, bail wasn't flipped there, probably going to ruin my reel. We are going to do this. Alright. Let's move spots here. Alright guys, so I've caught smallies out of here on a grasshopper. So this is a little tributary, so I'm just Panther Martining it up.
Alright, I'm going to go home.
And Mike's going to take off.
Sorry guys, I'm just beat. Son. I've had a heat stroke.
No, you haven't. Fishing with this little panther. Already caught fish on this lure, guys. I don't know if we're going to catch anything on this little lure. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys really want to see some more lure fishing in the future, please send me a line down below. But hope you guys liked this video. Please like, subscribe, stay on the barb, and see you guys again on the next video. Thanks for watching.